Well, welcome back to another episode of Johnny Truckin' Outdoors. This is day 3 out of 10 days, which is a 10-day series over me running across the UP, the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, fishing everywhere and camping, cooking up food. I know you guys haven't seen much of fishing, but here in the next couple of days, I'll be fishing for muskie and inland trout and a bunch of other fish out there. But if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe, and it's free and it helps me out a ton. And throw up a massive like on the video. I would really appreciate that as well. I'm gonna go ahead and get some breakfast going. I got some eggs and bagels and cheese, and I'm gonna make up myself a quick egg sandwich this morning. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pack up the truck since it's looking a little messy this morning, as you guys can see. And then I'm going to go ahead and head over to some areas to start fishing. I'm half tempted to go out to a river where I saw some fish jumping yesterday, like some trout trying to take off flies off the surface, or a different location where I think there were some smallmouth out there. So either way, I'll try to find some fish. It did rain last night, and we had a thunderstorm come on through, and the levels of water is probably raised. So I'm not quite sure how badly that's going to affect the fishing. It might be a really slow day, or it might be an amazing day. Who knows? But let me go ahead and get some breakfast cooked up. There's even a ton of turkeys up here. That's pretty awesome seeing wildlife that close. It's not like downstate where they're all scared of you. Here they're like wild turkeys just walking up to your truck. That's pretty cool. It's beautiful out here. You. Those look delicious. These are good sandwiches. Well, they look good. Cheese is now melted. Yeah. That's good. So the yolk of that egg is still a bit raw. Then with the melted cheese, tastes so delicious. Well, I'm gonna finish up my sandwich, and I'll get the truck packed, and we'll start heading over to some area to start fishing today. Stay tuned. Pretty cool, there's turkeys right here beside my truck. pretty cool out here. My buddy Jesse, he has a good chunk of land, and he has cattle and sheep and a bunch of other farm animals. There were turkeys just walking around my campsite this morning, or where I was parking. It was pretty cool. There are so many horse flies out here. They're biting me everywhere. It is crazy. And it hurts too. And I forgot to throw on sandals. I'm stepping on sharp rocks. Lovely. Just walking out here. Bear country. Johnny trucking outdoors. Trying to see if I can see any trout in this creek. Haven't seen anything. The water's way too low. But hey, it's worth a little gander up, see what's going on. There's a beautiful stream run through and a cool little bridge. So far I've seen about 1 6-inch brook trout, nothing too much, and I walked probably half a mile, quarter of a mile upstream. I literally took off my shoes. Like ripped up to the bottom of my feet on the creek bed. I'm gonna go hop back in the truck and probably check out another river nearby that has trout and see. I know it's in the middle of the day, it's not really good for trout fishing in the middle of the day, but I might as well go check it out and see if it's a good spot to catch some trout. Wow, that is gorgeous. I love that. Very nice place. I think I might actually come out here tomorrow morning and fish this. There's even a deer out in the field right there. That's pretty cool. Middle of the daytime, just grazing. I'm driving to Escanaba to the pier there, and I'll scout out and see if it's good fishing or not, or what's going on. Good thing to just talk with the locals, you know? They know what's moving and what fish is around, so that's what I'm doing today. It's just a scouting day. Looks like there's a whole festival over here. That's cool.
Lincoln Road, then your destination will be on the left.
This is the Stone House restaurant here in Escanaba. My buddy Jesse, he was actually the owner of the Creature Control, a place I worked servicing homes for wildlife and insects. He was like, hey, let's meet up here. So I'm gonna run in, grab some food for dinner. We'll have a quick chat and talk about everything. And then I'll hop back on the road and drive an hour or so to my next spot for tomorrow. Should be an awesome time. So I just met up with Jesse. He's there on the motorcycle. This place is literally and completely packed. So there's literally no way for us to get in for the next hour or two. So we're going to find some place called the Log Cabin. Hopefully it has better service and we can get in quicker. But hey, this place is packed, meaning it has good food. So it's just 7:17 p.m. and right now going through an intersection real quick. Right now it's pretty packed, so we're heading on over to our next spot. We're going to see if we can get some dinner. Well, I just had an awesome meal with Jesse. Jesse's over there just packing up his motorcycle, ready to hit the road home. I gave him a Johnny Truckin' Outdoor hat, which was pretty cool. I'll show a photo right now with us with our Johnny Truckin' Outdoor hats. Well, I'm going to have to hit the road, head probably 20-30 minutes south to where I can get some 5G network on my phone so I can use some hotspot to upload a video to YouTube. And then I'll probably either spend the night there or drive over to a new location to go kayak fishing in the morning for muskie and inland trout. Should be awesome. That food was extremely delicious at the Log Cabin Grill and Bar. It was like heavenly. It was delicious. If you guys are ever in Escanaba, check it out. I bet you'll be impressed. The chicken was tender, juicy, delicious. I'm so glad I stopped there with Jesse, and it's awesome. He was paying for the meal, and I was like, yeah, let's go. But we had some good talks, some good conversations. He's an awesome guy. But I'm gonna hop back on the road and keep on driving. Well, I thought I was going to drive like an hour, hour and a half over to the spot to go fishing in the morning. But I decided that I think it's better if I just get some good sleep and then hop up first thing in the morning. So I'm gonna hop in here in the back of the truck and head off to sleep. I'll be up by 5 or 6 in the morning to head over to the spot to go fishing in the morning. So I'm getting tired and don't want to fall asleep on the road, so need to follow my gut here. Well, good night, guys. I'll see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning, everyone. I slept extremely well last night. It's about 6:02. I need to hop on the road and get driving for an hour, hour and a half out to the location where I'll be fishing here today. Right now, it looks like it's stormy. I'll show you guys. You can see over there with the dark clouds. But I checked up the weather at this new place where I'm supposed to go fishing today off my kayak. And it's supposed to be a nice day. So I need to hop on the road and get driving out there so I can fish first thing in the morning. I should show up there around like 7:20 a.m. And it should be perfect. There's bass, there's muskie. I think there's a bit of inland trout. And there's a lot of pike as well and some walleye. So it should be an awesome time. Let's head over there. And hopefully I have better luck than the last couple of days and I can start catching fish. Stay tuned. My hair looks a little crazy this morning. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the truck. We'll have some yogurt this morning for breakfast. Just some normal yogurt. I like yogurt. It's a simple, quick breakfast. Gives you probiotics. Especially good for a quick meal. Well, I'm going to go ahead and finish up this and I'll hop on the road. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, stay outdoors, stay amazing, keep on trucking, and I'll see you guys on my next adventure. I want to thank my sponsors, Great Lakes Gear, Lake Effect Lure Co., and Arctic Spinners, Check them out with the link below this video. Use the code to save 10% off your order.